Hello and welcome to E Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Skip Marley represented for Jamaica over the weekend at the BET Soul Train Awards. The fast rising star performed his hit single Slow Down, then seamlessly transitioned to an acoustic version of Make Me Feel. Topping single Slow Down featuring Her failed to snatch any of its nominated categories, as Video of the Year went to Beyonce for Brown Skin Girl and Best Collaboration went to Chris Brown and Young Thug, Go Crazy. Go Crazy made Chris Brown the night's biggest winner, as it also took home Song of the Year and Best Dance Performance. R&B Soul Male Artist added to Chris Brown's 4 of 7 Soul Train Awards. Her, although being this year's top nominee with 8 nods, took home 2 awards for Best R&B Soul Female Artist and the Ashford and Simpson Songwriters Award for I Can't Breathe.
R&B has a lot of champions, and I like to consider myself one of them. And I said this last year, I'm gonna say it again. When one of us wins, we all win. So I'm so thankful for this. Thank you so much. R&B is not dead. We are forever.
Brandy, who also performed at the awards, took the Soul Train Certified Award, and her era mate Monica received the Lady of Soul Award. Album of the Year went to newcomer Summer Walker with her debut project, Over It. That's it for E Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.